Hello, in this video I want to show you how to power on or off your ShockZ Open Swim. So in order to do this, we'll need to locate the multifunctional button, and it's this one in the middle right here. There's a volume plus and volume minus. So click on the button in the middle and hold it for a few seconds. Now you should hear the welcome command, and now they are powered on. To turn them off, hold the same button for a few seconds. And they will power off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.